Good day, everyone. So today, we will going to explain the structural functional theory. And this theory was chosen because it helps show how a classroom can work like a system, where every student, teachers, and everyone has important role. By using this theory, the classroom can stay organized, safe, and fair. It also explains why following routines, cooperating with others, and respecting responsibilities are important. And this makes learning smoother and helps the student understand how their action can affect the whole classroom. The structural functional theory looks at society as a system where every part has a role. When everyone does their part, the system works well. And applying this idea to a classroom helps both the teacher and the students to see that learning is not only about studying, but also about working together and create a balanced and harmonious environment.
These classroom rules reflect the structural functional theory because they help the classroom work like a system. For the first rule, we have stick to routines and schedules. This rule reflects the theory because routines create structure, which is essential for a system to work properly. When students follow schedules, the classroom runs smoothly and learning becomes efficient. Just like in a system, each part needs to work in order, and routines help every part function at the right time. Second rule is we have respect everyone's responsibility. Structural functional theory emphasizes that each member of a system has a role. So in this classroom, teachers, students, and helpers each have responsibilities. By respecting these rules, the classroom system functions well and everyone's contribution is valued. For the third rule, we have work together and support each other. Cooperation is a key part of a system's balance. This rule reflects the theory because when students help and support one another, the classroom stays harmonious. Teamwork ensures that learning continues without disruption and that the classroom system remains stable. For the fourth rule, participate actively and responsibly. The theory shows that a system works best when every part contributes. So active participation reflects this idea because students involved is necessary for classroom activities to run efficiently. So participation also encourages responsibility, which strengthens the classroom as a functioning system. For the fifth and last rule, we have follow rules to maintain order and fairness. Rules are like the framework of a system. They ensure stability and fairness. Following rules reflect the theory because a system cannot function properly without order. In the classroom, rules make learning safe and fair for everyone, keeping the environment balanced and predictable.
A classroom guided by the structural functional theory feels organized, calm, and balanced. Students follow routines and cooperate with each other. Respect and support are visible in daily activities, creating a safe and fair environment. Everyone knows how they contribute to classroom success. Students feel confident, engaged, and motivated to learn, while teachers can guide learning effectively.
So applying the structural functional theory in the classroom has several advantages. First, learning becomes more efficient because students understand their responsibilities and follow routines. When everyone knows what to do and what to do it, lessons and activities run smoothly. Second, students develop important skills such as teamwork, respect for others, and responsibility. So these skills not only help the classroom system function well, but also teach students how to interact positively with others. And lastly, the classroom becomes safe, fair, and predictable with clear rules and routines. Students can also focus on learning without confusion or conflict. However, there are also challenges in applying this theory. If routines are too strict, they may limit students' creativity and ability to think independently. So some students may struggle if they do not naturally fit into the rules assigned to them, which can make participation difficult for them. And teachers must also remain flexible to handle unexpected situations that do not fit the planned routines or the rules. And lastly, overemphasizing rules and responsibilities can sometimes make the classroom feel rigid or strict, which may not suit every student's learning style. So in conclusion, while the structural functional theory provides a clear and organized framework for the classroom management, teachers need to balance structure with flexibility to address the needs of all the students.